The role of AI in enhancing smart kitchen appliances efficiency. AI transforms kitchen appliances, enhancing convenience, efficiency, and customization, revolutionizing kitchen technology and daily practices, marking a significant change in modern kitchen dynamics. Adaptive temperature control. AI-powered smart refrigerators use sensors and machine learning to adjust cooling, conserving energy, maintaining food preservation, and reducing waste by analyzing usage patterns and load variations. Predictive maintenance. Manufacturers are embedding AI into appliances to predict failures before they occur. AI algorithms monitor operational metrics and can flag anomalies that indicate potential malfunctions. By alerting users to perform maintenance or replace components preemptively, kitchen appliances can avoid downtime and extend their service lifespan. Anomaly detection and self-diagnostics. Predictive maintenance in AI involves anomaly detection and self-diagnostics, identifying irregular patterns, and predicting component lifecycle ends. Recipe and diet personalization. Smart appliances use apps for meal planning, analyzing past choices and nutritional goals to support balanced diets. With ingredient recognition and inventory management via cameras and AI, they suggest recipes and grocery reminders. Nutritional analysis aids dietary plans, and AI-enabled ovens recommend recipes. Linked with health apps, meal suggestions align with fitness objectives.
Go to GearBrain for more information.